Nested namespaces are namespaces defined within another namespace. They help organize code hierarchically, making it easier to manage large projects. A nested namespace is declared inside a parent namespace and can contain classes, interfaces, enums, and other types. You can access a class in a nested namespace by using its fully qualified name. If you frequently use the nested namespace, you can include it with a using directive to simplify your code. If you use nested namespaces, a .cs file may become longer due to multiple levels of hierarchy. The best practice is to keep .cs files short and focused, ideally with one class per file, to improve maintainability, readability, and organization. Instead of nesting multiple namespaces in a single file, it's better to create separate files for each class, keeping them small and structuring the folder hierarchy to reflect namespaces. Deep nesting should be avoided unless absolutely necessary for organization. While nested namespaces can be useful, they shouldn't lead to excessively long .cs files. The key is to balance structure and simplicity for maintainable code,